In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Sony AV receiver. This is a 5 channels, but it works with anything that Sony put on the market for the last, I think, 15 years. So let's get started. So if you have a problem and you don't know how to fix it, you can do a reset. But before doing this, what I suggest, honestly, is to simply put your receiver in standby mode and unplug it from the wall socket. Okay, simply remove the power cable. Wait around 2 minutes and plug it back. This can clear many different errors and can save you from doing a factory reset, so nothing will be deleted and you're gonna save a bunch of time simply by trying this first. If you're still having the issue, let me show you how to actually do a reset. So first thing, the receiver needs to be in standby mode. So over here, you see there's a red light. This means it's in standby mode. Nothing should be on the display. So let me demonstrate. I want you to take a look at the display over here. As soon as it says cleared, you need to release the power button. Again, it takes around 8 seconds. So let me do it. I'm keeping press on the power button. Wait a bit more, clearing, and now cleared. You see, as soon as you see cleared, you can release the power button, and yeah, the receiver has been factory resetted. Now what I suggest is when you set it up again, you plug one by one each HDMI devices over here. What I mean by this is that remove everything, plug one and check and see if it's working properly, if the sound is working properly, if you get the image on your TV, and then you can go to the second one and do everything one by one. This can help you isolate a problem. So if, let's say, you don't get any image or maybe no sound from one of your HDMI devices, it's easier to pinpoint which one caused the issue. But overall, this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a comment down below. Take 2 seconds, type a comment, leave a like, subscribe. This helps my channel tremendously, and I'll see you in the next video.